Hey everyone, welcome back again. Today we're diving into Veed.io, the ultimate online video editing tool. You may heard about its free version, but what about the paid plans? They take your video editing to the next level. So stick around because I'm going to break down all the awesome features you get when you upgrade the Pro plan. So let me give you a quick tour of what makes the paid version of Veed.io worth every penny. First up is the interface. It's sleek, intuitive, and super easy to use. But when you go pro, the magic really begins. With Veed's IO paid plans, you unlock features like no watermarks. You can say goodbye to those annoying watermarks on your projects. So the next time you save your video, all the watermarks from Veed IO is gone. Another great feature is the automatic subtitles. You can generate and customize subtitles in over 100 languages with precision. And of course, don't forget you need to export to high quality videos. And you can up to 4K resolution for crisp professional videos. Lastly, of course, is the brand kit. It's perfect for creators and businesses so you can save your logos, fonts, and colors to maintain a consistent brand identity. Additional features include templates and premium stock library so you can access hundreds of premium templates and stock assets to make your videos professional and make it pop. Let's take this YouTube video that I just edited. Watch as I resize it to a vertical format for TikTok or Instagram Reels, and Vid automatically adjusts everything. Even better, you can reposition or zoom in to make sure the important parts of your video stays in focus. So right now I have a dull background and I want to remove the background with something more professional. With VidIO's background removal tool, it is a game changer, especially for content creators who don't have a green screen. And it is perfect for product promos, YouTube intros, or professional presentations. In seconds, you can replace striking background or dull one such as mine, something cleaner and professional, and ideal for creating polished videos quickly. Here's my before and after. With VidIO's background removal tool, it is a game changer, especially for content creators who don't have a green screen. And it is perfect for product promos, YouTube intros, or professional presentations. Having silent pauses can be an awkward situation. Even a recorded video like mine is full of awkward pauses. With its remove silence tool, these are just things of the past. The feature trims all the dead air for a smooth and engaging result, especially handy for podcasts or long presentations. It saves you from manual editing, ensuring your video stays engaging and concise. With audience, with audiences rapidly, with audiences rapidly and foster emotional connection with your audience. Now let's check out the clean audio tool. So for example, right now it's raining and I just want to get rid of it. I have a raining sound in the background and of course it will remove that. It's VidIO's Clean Audio tool removes background noise. VidIO's Clean Audio tool removes background noise such as the raining noise of course in just one click, leaving you with a crisp, clear sound. So it's perfect for interviews, vlogs, or even situations where audio clarity is essential, ensuring your audience focus on the message and not the noise. Ready to elevate your content with VidIO Pro version? Click the link below to get started. And of course, if you want to know more about the subscription price, you check out the list. And of course, if you ask me, it is more worthwhile to invest to supercharge your content to the next level. If you like today's video, don't forget to give us a like, share it with your friends, and if you look forward to more value-added content, don't forget to give us a subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you will get more updates on the next video. I hope you have a great day and take care.